Alright, so we're here with who we deem the best Calabar player on the pitch today. Introduce yourself for the people.
My name is Fitzroy McLeod, the skipper for Calabar High School.
Are you the official captain, or who we used as the captain? He's not here today, so are you just filling the role?
I'm the co-captain of the team.
Alright, well said. Talk us through the game today. What happened?
First half, start off good, like how the lads played. Honestly, I didn't know what happened in the second half. The game went straight down. After a few changes, people got tired, then the game went south.
Alright. This season, Calabar is out of the Manning Cup, right? As it stands. You guys will not be advancing to the second round. Safe to say. What happened this season? Break it down for me as one of the leaders of this team. What would you say was a detriment of Calabar this year?
We trained very well. As you know, we got a new coach. Yeah, it's a new system, and he's in a new environment. Honestly, we trained good. It's just that I feel like the guys gave up at the end. Yeah, they gave up.
And how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
You're 16 years old, so it's safe to say that you will be at Calabar next year and years to come.
Not quite.
Not quite?
Trials.
What can we expect from you? Talk to me, man. It sounds like you have something you want to say.
Yeah, trials overseas, trials for Jamaican, etc. So on and so forth. Yeah.
Alright. Can you say what we can expect from Calabar going forward, even if you're not a part of the program? You've been here, you see the new coach, you see the system. What would you say people should look forward to from Calabar?
Alright. You can look forward for a lot because most of the guys are young. There are a few that will be going out of the school. So expect similar familiar faces, because next year you're going to come with the next challenge.
Alright. Thank you for speaking to us. Alright?
Yeah,